Hello. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create signed AAB file in Android Studio easy. So for us to be able to begin, the first thing that we need to do in here is open Android Studio onto your device. Then right after, open the project wherein you want to go ahead and generate a signed bundle or APK. So I have mine already in here. Then right after, click onto this icon in here and head on to build. Right after, once you're already in here, should be able to see an option to generate signed app bundle or APK. Click onto that, and there are two options, an Android app bundle or APK. So we'll choose this one, the Android app bundle. Click on next, and then right after, you'll just need to choose a keystore path. So you'll just have to click onto an icon in here to browse onto your different files if you haven't so if you don't have a case store already, just simply click on create new in here, choose in the case store path, add in a password, confirm that, add in an alias, a password, add in the validity, and add in one of a certificate in here. Then click on OK once you're done. And since I've created already in here, so if you've created OK, it will automatically fill in the details of case store password, alias, and password in here. So you'll just need to go ahead and remember the password for that. And then right after, click on next, choose in release, and then click on create. So you'll just have to wait for this one to be done. And right after, once that one is done, should be able to see a message in there to go ahead and click on to locate so that you could see where file fold, wherein that one is saved. So if you've remembered earlier the path that you've chosen, you can simply check onto that. But if you don't want to go ahead and go through the hassle of looking for that specific folder, you could go ahead and just simply click on locate once this one is done. So this might take some time. You'll just have to wait for that one to be done, and you should be able to see your created signed AAB file in Android Studio. If you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.